is now.
Okay. Hi, welcome back to Metal Rules TV, where the underground meets the playground. I'm Jeff Rappaport, and you are?
Adrienne Barbeau.
First of all, it's really nice to be here with you. I grew up with Maude, then there's Maude, great memories. I've always loved that show. I thought it was always way ahead of everything else.
It was.
Even as a kid, I recognized that.
It's on again now on some. I think Comcast has a channel called Me TV, or Antenna TV is another one. So they're playing it again.
How did you make the shift from sitcoms to horror movies? Because you did a lot of horror movies in the 80s.
Yes. Well, the first one I did was just as Maude was ending. It was a television film called Someone's Watching Me. And the director was a young man who was just getting started named John Carpenter. And John and I met, and I did that for him. And then it was actually a unique film because I think I played probably the first gay woman on television.
Really?
In Someone's Watching Me, yeah. And
did you get a lot of flack for that back
not
then?
at all. Not at all. Nobody said a word.
Yeah, I guess when you're with John Carpenter, that really opens the doors for you in horror films, for sure.
Well, at that time, he was just getting started. And he wrote The Fog, and he wrote the role for me, and that was the beginning.
Now, when you think of New Jersey, what comes to mind?
My house.
Do you live in New Jersey?
I have had a house there. My husband and I have had a house there for about 12 years.
Really? Where do you live there? You don't have to give me your address.
I don't live there. I don't live there.
You don't have to give me your address, but where?
In Atlantic Highlands.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So what do I think when I think of New Jersey? I think of my husband and his family.
What do you think the you said that the lesbian thing wasn't controversial. So what do you think would be the most controversial thing you've ever done?
Well, probably the two-part abortion episode on Maude was very controversial.
Yeah.
So much so that we never even shot the second episode until the show had aired and they knew it was a hit, and then we shot the second episode. But that was controversial enough that many of the stations didn't carry it.
Yeah. Now there's the big talk that there's a big storm coming tomorrow. Do you think it's going to take out the world like they're making it out to be, or you think we're going to be okay?
I just hope it doesn't hit me before I get on a plane.
Yeah. So. What makes you giggle like a schoolgirl?
I have a couple of friends who are very funny.
Yeah.
They laugh. I think that's more than that. I don't know.
Okay. I guess it's kind of hard right there. You can't always say everything you want to say. I guess the last and the most important question I have for you is: are you honored to appear on Metal Rules TV, and why?
I'll have to wait and see it, and then I'll know if I'm honored or not.
Fair enough.
But thank you for asking.
Oh, sure. Now, is there anything you'd like to promote or anything? Websites, Facebook pages?
Yeah, I'm on Twitter. A Barbeau. That's the Twitter. My Facebook is Adrienne Barbeau, and my website is abarbeau.com. It's been a while since I looked at that one. I will be, the next time you can see me is, well, right now you can see me in Argo, and Ben Affleck's fantastic cameo in that. But the next
time... You made a cameo in Metal Rules. Ben Affleck, yeah?
All right.
He was in the back cover number 15.
Okay.
This guy actually.
The next time you'll be seeing me on television, we'll be playing Madeline Stowe's mom or mother, I should say, on Revenge.
All right.
ABC.
Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Hug?
Oh, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.